This is where it all started. 16 people coming from all over the world, diving into a new adventure here at Ironhack Amsterdam. In just 9 weeks, we changed our lives completely, relocating to a new environment and building our new careers. I was one of them. Hi, I'm Eugene Boss, and this is how I became a product designer. I didn't grow up in an environment of technology and creativity. Heck, I only started knowing the full capabilities of the internet and computers when I turned 19, but my desire for knowledge kept me going. Being born and raised in Ghana, a beautiful country in West Africa, I derive inspiration from my rich and colorful culture. I worked as a visual designer in a corporate firm, and that gave me the privilege to travel the world. I found myself in Amsterdam, and there I found the love of my life. We got married, I quit my job and moved to Amsterdam.
Purchase your tracks today. Fire, 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 fire.
I came across Ironhack through a meetup event. They organized a one-day workshop for UI UX. UI UX was something I was very interested in but didn't have the opportunity to study it. So I decided to attend their workshop for a day. And after that day, I learned so much. So I asked myself, if I can learn this in a day, imagine what I can learn in 3 months. It's not the only bootcamp available. There are so many bootcamps around. I believe that bootcamp is a way to kickstart your career into a new direction, into what you really are passionate about. Our daily lessons were fun, but super intensive. It's called a bootcamp for a reason, right? I felt I learned so many different skills and techniques. I found some unnecessary back then, but I really appreciate it now. We worked in an agile environment during our projects. I was part of a Scrum team which taught me valuable lessons on teamwork, empathy, and being open-minded. From our morning stand-ups through to the design thinking process, sprints, and to our weekly retrospectives. I would say these 9 weeks of bootcamp gave me the knowledge and experience to enhance my career. I found myself in a very diverse group of individuals who were passionate and driven. In my opinion, it was at the intersection of our differences that our most meaningful breakthroughs emerged. On a personal note, I learned so much from the bootcamp. I met 16 different people from different countries, and it was so fun because everybody had a way of working. So the learning cycle was beautiful because I learned different cultures at the same time. I learned how to work with people, and in that process I learned empathy. And as a UI UX designer, empathy is really key into understanding your users and putting yourself in their shoes to build a better product.
Hello, my name is Neville.
Hi, I'm Ashley Valdez.
So my name is Flora.
I'm Cristina Galileu.
I'm Juliana, I'm from Brazil.
Hi, I'm Martin van Hoofdalen.
Hi, my name is Mila, I'm from Russia.
I'm Yulia, I'm from Ukraine.
Hi, I'm Elise, and I've just graduated from Ironhack.
So, last 9 weeks were great fun.
And I'm feeling happy because we just finished our bootcamp. Yay!
I felt that I was missing a little something in my life in terms of some skills. And so I knew about user experience design, and I thought this is what I needed to add to fill out my portfolios.
And I decided to change my career and became a UX designer.
What I did before the bootcamp was working in several fields, but I never really found my passion, so I decided to do something else.
I used to work in supply chain, which is completely different from UX and all this creative and design process related stuff.
It appeared to be a challenge, not just learning UX and UI, but also working with people and working in a team.
I like it. I like to solve problems, to figure out how it works, why it works that way, not that way.
During this bootcamp, I learned a lot, especially about design thinking and sketch.
After the 9 weeks, we were capable to get 3 complete projects.
I didn't expect that I would learn this much because I read a lot on UX UI before I started the bootcamp, but still, like, all the software was much different than I expected to be.
This bootcamp gave me this amazing framework which I am able to use in order to get started as a UX or UI designer.
During the bootcamp was like a roller coaster every day, every week. Just getting on and off a ride. It was tough, it was intense, it was the best days, the worst days. I cried, I laughed, I had immense joy, and we were with the best people, and it was such an intimate and incredibly personal, challenging and thrilling experience.
In the future, I will be, well, actually I'm doing it already, but now I get more skills and doing more like UX UI.
Now after the bootcamp, I feel like like a real UX professional.
And it's really an us because we've all bonded so much being in this course. We all really want the best for each other, and we all really want to see each other grow and thrive, just as we have in the past 9 weeks.
I feel really happy. I had a lot of fun, really good memories. Really excited about what's coming, but also quite nostalgic because we had a lot of fun and it was a great experience, and I met new friends, I hope.
To anybody who wants to make a career switch or just learn a lot of new skills, go for it and just do it.
I'm feeling super happy and super proud of all of us because we made it.
And I'm ready to start off my career dancing.
There you have it. My classmates and I decided to create this amazing video for all of you who are still asking questions about whether to do a bootcamp or not. We did the bootcamp and it's been a month now. Some of us already have jobs and some of us are still applying for jobs. My journey has taught me so many things on how to work with people, how to structure my thoughts, and how to have empathy for people when it comes to being a UI UX designer. This bootcamp also helped me relocate, ease into Amsterdam because it was difficult to find people who share similar passions to me. But going to the bootcamp, I met 16 amazing people. The teachers and the TAs, they were all part of my journey, and they didn't just become colleagues, but they became friends for life. And I appreciate this journey, and I know all my classmates also do.